Hello, good afternoon everyone. Today's my topic is Vakrokti as a theory, language of literature. Next slide. First of all, we can say theory of Vakrokti. Kuntaka was the founder of this school. Kuntaka was the author of the Vakrotjiviktam. Kuntaka was a Kashmiri scholar and Sanskrit poetician and literary theorist. The origin of Vakrokti could be found in Pama's Kavyalankara and Dandi's Kavya Darshan. In this theory, Kuntaka wants to convey that a certain strictness of expression is essential of poetry. Kuntaka believes that the Kuntaka believes that the beautiful and miraculous in the poet. Next slide. According to Kuntaka, Vakrokti is the source of beauty in Kavya, which is quite opposite to the description of, of a thing as it is. According to Pama, Vakrokti is a mode of expression because it is a fundamental principle of figurative expression. Dante's define Vakrokti as a poetic figure except Swabhavakti. Vama considered Vakrokti as a special poetic figure based on Lakshana. And Rudra Thakur's Vakrokti is a particular figure of speech. Next slide. Kuntaka's concept of Vakrokti. Vakrokti is a mode of expression in poetry. Dante uses the term Vakrokti as a almost coexistence with the generic term Alankara. Vakrokti is a field of skill going beyond the theory of Ananvartha's Swani because Kuntaka feels that the poetic meaning had not been properly classified in the Dhvani theory. According to Kuntaka, definition of poetry is whatever appeal to a man to the taste or good poetry and whatever not is not poetry. Vakrokti for Kuntaka is a synonym for the principle of beauty underlying all the kinds of poetic language. Next slide. Classification of Vakrokti. Source of Vakrokti, Vaichitra and Kavyapra. And here we can see Kuntaka development of idea about simple and different way of performance. Vakrokti. Vakrokti word made with two different words. First one is Vakra and second is Ukti. Um, Ukti. Vakra means crude, indirect or unique and Yukti means poetic expression of speech. Next slide. Here we can see Vakrokti manifest at six levels. Here Vakrokti's first level is the phonetic level, second level is the lexical level, third level is grammatical level, fourth is sententious level, fifth is contextual level, and sixth is compositional level. Next slide. Chapterization of Vakrokti. First chapter is it is the introductory. It, sorry. It is the introductory part and provides the definition of Vakrokti. The second chapter is it deals with the three varieties of Vakrokti like phonetics, lexical and grammatical. Third chapter is it deals with the sentence quality and fourth chapter deals with the contextual and compositional obliquity. Next slide. Here we can see what is the place of Marga and Guna in Vakrokti. The three Marga styles in Vakrokti. First is Sukumara, second is Vichitra, and third is Madhyama. Six gunas are identified in literary style in Vakrokti. First is Auchitya, second is Prasada, third is Lavanya, fourth is Abhijatya, fifth is Saubhagya, and the last one, sixth is Madhurya. Next slide. Kuntaka gives importance to the Shabda and Artha. At the same time, he insists on the presence of Vakrokti in poetry. Vakrokti consists of a peculiar term given to any expression due to the skill of the poet. Vakrokti is called as a Kavya, Kavya Pravakta and Vakra Kavya Par. And For example, embellishment of the Shabda and Artha, the physical constituents of a kavya. In this theory, Kuntaka wants to convey that a certain shrinkingness of expression is essence of poetry. According to Kuntak, Vakrokti is the source of beauty in Kavya, which is the quite opposite to description of a thing as it is. And according to Pama, Vakrokti is a mode of expression because it is the fundamental principle of figurative expression. Next slide. At the at the last, I would say, according to Kuntaka, Vakrokti alone does not make poetry. It must delight the mind of the reader who is responsive to the true beauty of poetry. Thus, the test of Vakrokti is the contribution to the Chamatkara, the aesthetic enjoyment experienced from composition. Next slide. Here is my reference. Next slide. Thank you, everyone. And thank you, Bhavyan, for sharing your screen.